Welcome to our online lesson. The topic of this lesson is food and cooking. The aim of this lesson is to enable students to use new words in their everyday life. So begin. Phonetic warm-up. Put the words in the correct column according to sound U. Butcher, cook, good, sugar. The second column, food, fruit, juice, mousse, soup, spoon. And now look at these pictures and say the words. Onion, potato, chocolate, cucumber, steak. And what cooking verbs we can apply to these words? For example, potatoes. We can wash it, peel it, cut, mix, fry, boil, stew, grate. And now let's discuss the meaning of these verbs. For example, cut. What does it mean? Cut, divide into pieces with a knife or other sharp implement. Fry, cook food in hot fat or oil, typically in a shallow pan. Mix, combine or put together to form one substance or mass. Boil, cook food, usually vegetables, meat, eggs, in boiling or very hot water. Roast, cook food, especially meat, in an oven or over a fire. Food which is not cooked is raw. What way of cooking is the healthiest one? Moist heat cooking methods, such as boiling and steaming, are the healthiest ways to prepare food because they are done at lower temperatures. Boiling involves cooking in water, broth, stock, or other liquid at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Vegetables, pasta, chicken, shellfish, and eggs in the shell are often boiled. Steaming also uses liquid, but the food isn't plunged into the water. The heat from the steam does the cooking. And now, let's prepare our national dish, bish parmak. We need beef, mutton, or horse meat, flour, egg, salt and pepper, and onion. Way of cooking. Cook meat in very cold water. Bring it to a boil, skim off the foam, add salt, and cook it over a low flame for 2 hours. After that, we get the meat out of meat broth and cool it. At the same time, we make dal using flour, water, and eggs. Add salt and let it sit for 40 minutes. After that, we roll out the pastry, making it very thin, and cut it into large square bits. The bits are boiled in meat broth for 5–10 minutes. The boiled dal and meat is placed on a tray and shorpa is poured over it. aromatic meat broth is served in tea bowls. Enjoy your meal. And now let's go to the restaurant. Look at this menu and answer these questions. Which starter doesn't contain vegetables? Which dish contains pasta? Which dish may be rare or well done? Which dish is definitely cooked in the oven? Which dish will probably be quite spicy? Which dish contains alcohol? Which meat may be fatty or tough if you're unlucky? Which dessert will be quite sweet? Which dessert must be very fresh? And after discussing this question, let's go to our home task. Your home task is to make your own recipe using this scheme. Good luck.